So let's try to solve one practical problem for break-even point. The question is calculate break-even point in units where fixed cost is 2 lakh rupees, sales price is 30 per unit and variable cost is rupees 14 per unit. So for the solution, you recently did that break-even point. The formula for break-even point to calculate in units is the fixed cost upon contribution. And contribution, the formula for contribution is sales minus variable cost. Now just fill it up. Fixed cost is given as 2 lakh. Next is contribution, that is sales minus variable cost. 30 rupees is the sales value and variable cost is rupees 14. Now after solving this, you will get the answer 12,500. Now this 12,500 is the answer in number of units. That is 12,500 units are to be sold by the firm to reach its break even. So let's try another practical problem which is a little more vast than the previous one. So here we have to calculate A part contribution, next profit volume ratio, next is break even in units, next is break even in rupees, and the last part is what will be the selling price if break even is 25,000 units. This is what we are going to later on understand what its meaning is. Next, fixed cost is given to us as 1,50,000 rupees. Next is variable cost, which is 10 rupees per unit. Next is the sales price, which is rupees 15 per unit. So first of all, we have to calculate contribution. You all know what is contribution, that is sales minus the variable cost. So simply for A part, sales minus variable cost. You know what is the sales price? 15. What is the variable cost? That is 10. Sales value is 15 rupees and variable cost is given to us as rupees 10. So basically our contribution will come out to be as 5 rupees. This is the answer for the first part. So in the part B, we have to calculate the PV ratio, that is the profit and volume ratio. The formula for the profit and volume ratio is contribution upon sales into 100. So contribution is rupees 5. Sales value is given to us as rupees 15 into 100. This comes out to be 33.33%. So our profit and volume ratio is 33.33. Next is we have to calculate break even in number of units. To calculate break even point in number of units, the formula for the same is fixed cost upon contribution. So fixed cost is given to us as 1,50,000 and contribution, which we have just calculated as rupees 5. So this is 30,000 units. The answer is 30,000 units. So next is part D, in which we have to calculate break even in rupees. To calculate break even point in rupees, we have just done a formula that it is fixed cost upon PV ratio into 100. So the fixed cost is 1,50,000. We have recently calculated the PV ratio in the part B, that was 33.33 approximately into 100. So we just want an approximate answer. This comes out to be 4,50,000 rupees. Obviously the answer will be in rupees. Also, to make it more simplified, what you can do? You can use this part, that is in which you have calculated break even in units. Suppose we have already got the break even level of units, that is 30,000. 30,000 units. And now what you have to do is you have to simply multiply it with the sales price. Obviously, if 30,000 units are being sold at the sales price of rupees 15, you will again get the answer as 4,50,000 rupees. So you can simply just reconcile your answer that in both the cases the answer will be 4,50,000. So this is the way in which we have to calculate break even in rupees. So let's come to the last part of the question, which says that what will be the sales price, what will be the selling price if the break even is 25,000 units. We just calculated the break even point for this question was 30,000 units. Now the question is asking, if we want to make the break even fall to 25,000 units, then what will be our selling price? Simply you can write the formula to calculate break even point in units. What was the formula you just did?